Fiverr is a popular site for freelancers to offer their services for $5, and this is how they derive their name. From the day they were launched until today, there are over 3 million services available on their website by now. Fiverr is a potential platform to earn massive incomes as well as a competitive platform. How can you possibly bring your profile up to the homepage and generate more traffic among the 3 million services? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. Utilizing the social platform is definitely a great way to generate traffic to your profile. Social media advertising is always the go-to platform to promote your gigs. You can promote your gigs on social media channels such as Facebook and Twitter. You can create your own Facebook page so that whenever you update a gig on Fiverr, you can post an ad on your page. Another advantage to creating your own Facebook page is that you could possibly create your own community with targeted audiences. Every single visitor that visits your page could be your potential customer and eventually your long-term client. At the same time, you can join the groups or forums that are related to Fiverr. Once you're connected to the group, you can post ads to promote your gigs. Beyond Facebook and Twitter, where you can post your ads to promote your gigs, you can also create Pinterest pins, Instagram photos, and even YouTube videos. These are great platforms that you can fully utilize to promote your gigs. The next method to generate traffic is by accumulating positive reviews from your buyers. The more positive reviews you get from them, the more likely you will be visited by other buyers. Visitors are now comparing the star ratings of sellers before they buy your service. Your star rating is an essential factor that influences visitor decisions to purchase from you or not. Put yourself in the shoes of buyers. Would you do the same before you contact the sellers? People are wary of paying someone for a gig because they are taking the risk of wasting money on a terrible service. So, getting positive feedback and maintaining 4 to 5 star ratings is an essential factor that helps in attracting more traffic to your gig page. You won't be able to buy your way through to get positive feedback. The only way to combat in this reputation building process is to earn by the service that you are going to offer. Focus on satisfying customers, where you can deliver good quality of work that is worth way more than what they've paid, and target to win their heart at the same time. Over time, you'll accumulate a critical mass of positive reviews. Optimize your gig description to target your niche. First and foremost, you must pick a targeted niche and understand them. Do not aim for general service. Focus and be the best in the targeted niche that you've picked. Optimizing your gig description is essential, as this is the only way people can get to know about the kinds of services you are offering them. To pick a targeted niche, do some research on the hot keywords that visitors will usually search for on Fiverr. Without keywords, your gig will not show up for relevant searches by the visitors. Other than optimizing the text in your headline, use graphical elements in your gig description as well. Visual cues always create a larger impact than text. Hence, you can use graphical designs or even videos to introduce your gig. Take note, your video must always be congruent to what you're selling. Finally, the last method that you can use is to create your own advert campaigns. This is different from creating your own Facebook page or community in Twitter, as advert campaigns attract serious buyers. When you run advert campaigns on social media, you are directing paid traffic to your page. Paid traffic is normally more targeted than organic traffic. The platform where you can run advert campaigns are Facebook and YouTube. These would be the largest and best platforms to run your campaign. Compared to text advertising, video advertisement is more compelling, especially if your offer is graphic and video related. You can create a showcase on your work in video form and upload the video on YouTube to promote your gig. Besides running advert campaigns on the social media platforms, utilize your own website as well. This is especially useful for someone who is already in the online business with a mailing list, whereby you can start an email marketing campaign to mail out your offers to your list. The subscribers in your list already trust you, so you don't need to break that hurdle. If you don't have a mailing list yet, you should start building one. If you do not own a website, you can do it through Fiverr. Just ask for an opt-in when users make a purchase on your service. Do not hesitate to do so, as growing your own list is definitely a must in online businesses. With a list in hand, you can always mail out your offers. Increasing traffic to your gig page will not be a problem.